guide Thomas promised to help Gordon with a very... Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. That was amazing! That's the way! We all love your train set. Let's go find that toy! Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Excellent! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. That's the way! Super! Again! Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Right leads to the Rolling Bridge. The Rolling Bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Good job! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. That's perfect. Thanks for helping out. Which toy will you choose now? It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. I love that. Lights out! The town square station! That's perfect! Right leads to the tunnel. Left leads to the haunted castle. Right leads to the tunnel is nearby. Left leads to the tunnel. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. The tunnel is nearby. Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Excellent! Excellent! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which toy will you choose now? Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Lights on. That's the way. I love that. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the water slide. Right leads to the Great Waterton Station. The Great Waterton Station's coming up. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Left leads to the pig farm. Forward leads to the Town Square Station. Left leads to the Boulder Cliffs. We're almost at the Town Square. Right leads to the Haunted Castle. Left leads to the Town Square Station. Where to now? Left leads to the Haunted Castle. Forward leads to the tunnel. Left leads to McCall's Farm. McCall's Farm is coming up. All my friends want to help too, so make sure you change engines. This is your toy collection. Here you can see all... Forward leads to the Town Square Station. Right leads to McCall's Farm. We're almost at the Town Square. Left leads to the Town Square Station. We're almost at the Town Square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you.